Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection. Check out our television show. It's on every week and you can watch it wherever you are. Check out the description below for details. So this video was celebrating two things. One, we just settled into our new home back in Vegas. And two, it's my birthday. So you know we had to do it up. We're staying at the Bellagio for 2 nights here in the premier One King non-smoking. This room is the most recently renovated of its kind. So we're excited to bring it to you guys. And let me tell you, this is nice. So right when you walk in, you're gonna be in the entry. Pretty standard, but you know what? It is a little bit bigger entryway here, and you have a mirror right to your left or your right, depending on what side of the hallway your room is on. And then you have the bathroom. But this isn't a regular bathroom. This is nice. Let's go check it out. So right away, I have to point something out because I've never seen this in any of our rooms. Look at these little mats. Little mats at the sink. And then you have double sinks over here. Of course, the toilet right there. But you know what? If you need help, you can call somebody. And now the shower. Now, I was a little disappointed that they didn't have a tub, because if you guys watch my videos, I love taking a tub in Vegas. Not every hotel, but nicer ones like Bellagio, I will definitely get in the tub. This room, unfortunately, does not have one, but that's fine. This is nice. Guys, so a couple of little bonuses for this bathroom here, which I just think these little things are so neat. Check out this little touch though. Look at this. You forget your razor? No problem. A little razor and shaving cream. A little toothbrush. The tiniest toothpaste. I mean, I think you're probably just gonna get one brush out of this. So this is probably like an emergency, oh crap, where's my toothbrush, right? But that's still pretty neat. And you get the little mouthwash on there. This is a nice little touch. And check this out. We know Vegas is gross, right? You get a little loofah to scrub all the Vegas off of you. That's a nice touch right there. Now let's go check out the rest of the room. But first, take a look at this closet. What? You got a couple robes. I'm definitely going to be using one of these guys. You got your own slippers. And I think, what is this? Oh no, just 2 pairs of slippers. I'm definitely going to be wearing these later because why not? Look at that. Of course you have your safe. And if you noticed the light, it's a sensor. So it turned on when I walked in, it'll turn off when we move on into the room. So we're going into the room, but we're gonna need a little bit of light. So right in the entry, we're gonna open the drapes and the sheer curtain. Now these buttons here, you also have on the side of the bed over there so that you can close or open them while you're laying in bed. But check this out. I mean, what do I really have to say? You've got your bar here. Now, this stuff here, you're gonna pay for it, just like any of the other properties that come with this stuff in the room. This is on a sensor, so you don't even wanna take it off to put your own stuff in there because you're gonna get charged. Same thing with the refrigerator. It is fully stocked, and you cannot empty this out to put your own stuff in there. You're gonna pay for all of this. Now, if that's how you roll, that's how you roll. It's convenient. You have it right in your room, and you can have them restock it for you. Nice, big TV, spacious room. You've got a little table over here. You've got beautiful, beautiful king-size bed. Your little couch, lamps over here by the bed. I mean, you cannot go wrong in this room. Here's something that I really like also, and I think you will. One of the things that we run into, especially when we're traveling with friends, it's staying in the same room, is that you don't have enough plugs for everybody's cell phones, everybody's devices. Here, you've even got some USB ports and plugs in this lamp over here by this table. It's a pretty nice touch. And speaking of charging, you also have a couple of ports right here on the clock, as well as wireless charging. So another cool thing about this room, there's just so many neat little things, right? This is another one. So we showed you the couch over there, or like a lounge that you can lay on, and then you have the bed over here, right? So if you're like me, I get up first in the morning. I like to have a cup of coffee, chill, watch TV. Check this out. Pull this all the way out, point it towards the chair, and I can watch TV in the morning while I'm having a cup of coffee without disturbing my wife, Mrs. Ninth Island Connection, sleeping. Now, the view for this particular room, this is the, I believe she said Bellagio Tower. It's the one right off of the casino floor. There's the Spa Tower, which is towards the monorail or the tram on that side, and then there's this one off of the casino. So this particular room, we've got a view of the Rio, but you know what? You've got the mountains back there, absolutely beautiful. The sun does set on that side, so that's really nice there. And then over here is just Flamingo Boulevard. How's this lamp flexing on me over here? All right, guys, that's it. Let me know if you've stayed here. Do you love Bellagio? Do you love their rooms? We want to hear from you guys. And by the way, for those of you that are interested, this is room 26099. So we are on the 26th floor here in Bellagio. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel. I mean, what's not to like? You're interested in Vegas. That's how you found us. All we do is bring you Vegas. Thanks so much, guys. We appreciate your support. And 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.